Good day and welcome to today's update. This is the Bridge Operator Console for RingCentral. These new features will be available February 1st, 2022. So let's dive right in. The first feature is one that has been one of the top requests for several months, and it's here now. Custom groups in Bridge Operator Console. You can see here the new groups will be denoted with a red circular icon, and they'll say me. They will float up to the top right under favorites and personal. To create a new group, you simply click here now, new group pop-up, fill in the name, decide which people you want in the group. We'll just pick 2 people and add them in. You'll see the people on this side. When we close the groups, now we've got our test group 3 here and our 2 users. When you want to get rid of a group, you simply can edit it and just remove the users. And this also goes for changing it. If you want to add a person or remove someone from a group, the process is the same. Once all the group members are removed, the group itself will disappear from view and will no longer be there. There's no limit to how many groups you can make. I would recommend staying within the rules as to how many group members you want to show on the screen at a time. And again, that is going to be kind of governed here on the company directory record limit. Right now, I believe I'm set for 100 or 150 or something like that. So try to limit the groups just for performance. Trying to draw the presence of 500 people on the screen at once is never a great idea. So again, governed here, new groups are created. When you select a group type that is one of ours, you'll have the edit. Otherwise, it won't be there. As you see, when I click it, I get the new edit button. When I'm on something else, I don't have the edit button. So that's how those work. You can also set one of them as your default. There's no difference there between one of our groups and one of the kind of automatically created directory groups. So Bridge Groups is a big new feature. The next one is also something that we have had on other platforms. It's called our Bridge Medical Connector. What the Bridge Medical Connector will do, if you are a hospital or some sort of facility that has patients and an EMR HMR system, is it will connect to that. Like a popular one out there in the world is Epic. So if you have patient information there, without having to buy a license for the operator to be able to look up, if patient XYZ is in the hospital and transfer a call to them, Bridge Operator Console can do that for you. Changes are pushed from the EMR HMR to a secure device on-prem that double encrypts the data and then pushes it down periodically to a Bridge Operator Console in an encrypted fashion that is also using the app in an organization that has our medical connector. So long story short, what that allows you to do is when you get a call and you're in a hospital, you can look up a patient by name, by room, etc. You'll be able to find that patient, transfer calls to them quickly. It'll also increase the visibility of related people in that you'll be able to see things like their primary care physician, primary care technician, and you can transfer calls to those folks as well if that data is being provided by the EMR HMR system. So that'll just maximize the efficiency. Bridge Operator Console with that data, as well as going to be substantially faster using our AI predictive transfer. So if someone calls looking for that patient, and an hour later they call again, the AI predictive transfer will have them right at the top for you. So it'll kind of track them down without you having to spend a lot of time switching between disparate systems or buying an expensive license for a system just for that purpose. So the Bridge Operator Console Medical Connector will be available in the February 1st launch as well. The final update change of note here will be changes to the tagged object. So tag objects kind of became a thing a few months ago. We added an automatic tag feature on a transfer so you can kind of follow along and make sure that person answers the call. So we made some changes there. So if we transfer a call now, a couple things will happen. The tag will be a little bit smaller. It also has this mute unmute. So if you don't want the sound on tags, just toggle this. If you decide later you want it back, you can just toggle it back. It applies to all tags, so it's kind of an on or off state. So but tags now also will just replace the existing tag in the same real estate. So they won't pop down and fill up 10 in a row. They'll just, one will replace the next, kind of like a billboard, if you will. So that's the other breaking change in Bridge Operator Console. This will be available February 1st, 2022. Thanks for your time, and have a great day.